Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can ban someone from a Facebook page. So before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook, and then you need to log in into your Facebook account, and then you need to select your page. So once you are on your page, you simply need to click on more and go on to your followers list. So here you can see all followers of your Facebook page, and if you want to block someone or ban someone from your Facebook page, you simply need to click on three dots, and here you can see an option of block. So here you can see ban this account, and if you want you can ban this person and any new profile that they may create. So click here if you want this, and then you need to click on confirm. So this is the process by which you can ban someone from a Facebook page. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.